Hello and welcome to Kiswahili Tenses Part 2 lesson. Tenses are referred to as nyakati in Kiswahili. As we have mentioned on the previous lessons that there are 5 major tenses in Kiswahili. Simple present tense, wakati uliopo. Simple past tense, wakati uliopita. Present perfect tense, wakati uliopo hali timilifu. Future tense, wakati ujao. And habitual tense, wakati wa mazoea. Having learned the simple present and past tense in the previous lessons, today's lesson we will focus on the remaining 3 tenses. Present perfect tense, wakati uliopo hali timilifu. The perfect indicates an action or situation which occurred in the past, similarly to the past tense. However, the focus of the utterance is on the relevance of this past action to the present moment. For example, the word nimepika, I have cooked, describes a past action with present relevance. That means the food is ready now. Whereas nilipika, I cooked, describes a past action with no implication of any relevance to the present. The food may have been eaten long ago or not. The perfect present tense is formed in a positive with the prefix me. The prefix me is inserted between the subject prefix and the verb stem. For example, amekwenda, she has gone. Umeandika, you have written. Tumejibu, we have answered. For monosyllabic verbs used with this tense, retain the infinitive ku. For example, nimekula, I have eaten. Wamekufa, they have died. Wamekupa, they have given you. Future tense, wakati ujao. The future tense is formed with the prefix ta in its affirmative form. Therefore, in Kiswahili, the future tense marker ta is inserted between the subject prefix and the verb stem. For example, atakwenda, she will go. Nitakula, I will eat. Utaandika, you will write. Monosyllabic verbs used with this tense retain the infinitive ku as well. For example, atakunywa, he will drink. Watakufa, they will die. Tutakula, we will eat. Habitual tense, wakati wa mazoea. The habitual verb form is unusual in that it does not allow subject prefixes to appear on it. the prefix who is added to the beginning of the verb. The habitual indicates repeated occurrence of an action or something occurring as a timeless general rule. And because subject prefixes are absent, personal pronouns are very frequently used to indicate the subject. Okay, for example, mimi huimba kila jioni. I sing every evening. Mama hupika asubuhi. Mommy cooks in the morning. Haba na haba hujaza kibaba. Little by little, a cup is filled. The haba na haba hujaza kibaba is roughly equivalent to slow and stirred wins the race, or a penny saved is a penny earned. However, the monosyllabic verbs used with this tense drop the infinitive ku. For example, ng'ombe hula nyasi. Cows eat grass. Sisi hunywa beer kila weekend. We drink beer every weekend.